Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Himalayan salt lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Himalayan Salt Fire Basket 100% Pure Himalayan Crystal Lamp. Do you need one of the best Himalayan salt lamps that will reform the air in your room as it kills both germs and bacteria? This is a smart and very excellent Himalayan salt lamp that will naturally improve your sleep. This makes it suitable for anyone suffering from insomnia. The lamp is unique with lines and shapes on it. Apart from this, the Himalayan salt lamp is suitable for managing stress as it can easily reduce stress. It is one of the best Himalayan salt lamps that will the environment very human-friendly. Make your order today and it will be delivered within the estimated time. Moving on at number 4, we have the Himalayan White Salt Rock Crystal Lamp. This is one of the best quality crystals that come with a magic salt. It is very effective as it aids in different areas like helping one to breathe more oxygen, reducing sinus, headache, asthma, insomnia, and BP among others. It is, therefore, very beneficial to the body, hence one of the best on the market today. It is one of the rare and the best Himalayan salt lamps that you need to give a try. To get it today, you just need to make your order and it will be delivered within the estimated time. At number 3, we have the Source DIY Salt Lamp Himalayan Pink Crystal Rock Salt Lamp. Are you looking for the best Himalayan salt lamp that comes with the best color selections? This is a smart and one of the best Himalayan salt lamps with a range of colors like light pink, red, and orange. The lamp is known for emitting negative ions into the air to make your room human-friendly. It weighs about 2 to 3 kilograms, hence relatively light in weight. Despite being one of the best Himalayan salt lamps on the market today, it is relatively cheap and affordable. At number 2, we have the Natural Himalayan Rock Salt Lamp. This is a high-quality and highly recommended Himalayan salt lamp that will offer you excellent and reliable services. The lamp is very effective as it will protect you from any kind of contamination. It is 100% natural and aids in the reduction of the sinus. Besides this, the Himalayan salt lamp is perfect for enhancing your sleep, killing both germs and bacteria, and curing cough and BP. Why miss out on this great Himalayan salt lamp? Get it today and you will realize how much you have been missing. And finally at number 1, we have the Himalayan Salt Crystal Lamp. This is a great and one of the best quality Himalayan salt lamps that you will find very effective and perfect for your room. It is created and designed from salt craves that are found at the foothill of Himalayan. It is one of the oldest Himalayan salt lamps that are known for a wide range of health benefits like curing asthma, seasonal adjustment disorder, and sinus. It will effectively clean the air by converting the positive ions into negatively charged ions. Through this, it will effectively clean the air around you. This is one of the best Himalayan salt lamps that you don't want to miss. Get started with it today and you will definitely love it. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.